Dahle 585 Workshop Guillotine is a professional A1 machine providing a cutting length of 1,100 millimeters. It cuts a wide range of materials from ABS plastic to zinc up to 4 millimeters thick. This is the equivalent of cutting approximately 40 sheets of paper. The sturdy metal table with rounded corners has a non-detachable stand with shelf at optimum working height. The supporting table provides sufficient space for cutting large formats and folds down quickly. The ground upper and lower blade in Solingen cutlery steel ensures a precision cut and long-lasting cutting quality. The sturdy solid steel blade holder guides the screw-mounted upper dead blade with absolute precision. If necessary, the high-quality steel blades can be replaced and sharpened. Various format lines allow you to position cutting stock quickly and accurately at all times. 2 scale bars marked in millimeters are guaranteed to give you an exact 90-degree cut. The metal backstop makes easy work of aligning the cutting stock and can be used on both scale bars. The guide channels prevent individual sheets from slipping through. The convenient foot-operated clamp holds the cutting stock exactly in place. The transparent blade guard guarantees working safety and unobscured vision while cutting. The ergonomically shaped handle prevents tired hands. The guillotine can be locked to prevent unauthorized use. The following accessories are available for customizing the Workshop Guillotine. Narrow strip cutting device 793 for cutting extremely thin strips. Precision laser beamline indicator 797 for professional cutting results. This guillotine is guaranteed for 5 years.